Pagod ka na bang magsulat ng contact tracing form sa bawat pinupuntahan mo? Natatakot ka bang mahawa dahil sa panulat na ginamit mo? Nangangamba ka ba para sa iyong data privacy? Higit sa lahat, may saysay nga ba ang mga pinagsusulat mo? Upang bawasan ang ating alalahanin sa tuwing magtutungo sa mga establishmento ngayong meron pa ring COVID-19 pandemic, ay ginawa nating mas madali ngunit mas maigting ang ating contact tracing sa Valenzuela City. Narito na ang Valenzuela Contact Tracing App o ang ValTrace. Sa pamamagitan ng ValTrace App, hindi na kailangan pang magsulat sa contact tracing form sa bawat pupuntahang establishmento. Kailangan lang ipakita at i-scan ang inyong unique QR code. Ang record ng inyong mga napuntahan ay direktang maitatala sa database ng ating Mega Contact Tracing Center na magiging malaking tulong para sa mas masinsinang contact tracing. Paano ba gamitin ang ValTrace app? Step 1. Mag-log on lang sa valtrace.appcase.net. Step 2. Sagutan ang online form at i-click ang Submit. Step 3. I-generate ang inyong QR code at i-save sa mobile phone. Maaari din itong i-print. Narito ang ilang paalalang dapat tandaan. Simula September 12, 2020 ay pwede nang i-download ang inyong QR code. Sa October 5, 2020 naman ay sisimulan ng hingin at i-scan ang inyong QR code sa bawat enclosed indoor establishment sa Valenzuela City, tulad ng mga mall, restaurant, grocery store, bangko, simbahan, palengke at iba pa. No QR code, no entry. Kaya mag-download na upang hindi maabala. Ang serbisyong ito ay libre at pwedeng gamitin taga Valenzuela ka man o hindi. Bawat isang QR code ay para lang sa isang tao, kaya dapat ay may sariling code ang bawat individual na papasok ng establishmento. Kailangan pa rin palaging dalhin ang quarantine pass sa tuwing lalabas ng tahanan. Ang QR code ay kakailanganin lamang tuwing papasok ng establishmento.
Good morning, students. This morning, I will be your music teacher 6. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to understand the value of notes and rests in a particular song. Identify the notes and rests used in a particular song. Kids, are you familiar with the song Do Re Mi from the musical The Sound of Music? We are going to sing that song. So come on, sing with me. Do, a D, a female D, Re, a drop of golden sun. Mi, a name, I call myself, far a long, long way to one. So, a needle pulling thread, La, a note to follow, so D, a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to do, oh, 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 do, a D, a female D, Re, a drop of golden sun. Me a name I call myself, for a long, long way to run. So a needle pulling thread, la a note to follow. So tea, a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, sol, do. Very good, kids. Do you know what notes and rests mean? What are their time value? Why is music so important to us? Notes and rests means the songs or music that we perform or listen move differently from each other. It is a musical, or in a musical staff, you will find different symbols. Among these symbols are called musical notes and rests. Musical notes represent sound, while rest represent silence. Just as a child learned the alphabet in order to read and write words, one must also have the mastery of the musical notes and rests and their time value to be able to read or write music. So these are the different notes and rests. The first one is a whole note. I can hear something. Yeah, it looks like an egg. What about you? Yeah, it looks like a donut. And a whole note has 4 beats. Listen, class. This is how we're going to clap a whole note. Ready? Da. Can you repeat that? Everybody. 1, 2, ready, go. Da. Good. And the next one is? Yeah, it's a whole rest. A whole rest has 4 beats but has no sound. Look at the whole rest. It looks like a rectangle hanging in a bar. Do you know how to clap the whole rest? Watch this. Can you do that, kids? Everybody, 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. And the next one is? Yeah, it's a half note. A half note is an open noted head with a stem. And a half note has 2 beats. Do you know how to clap the whole note? Listen. Da. Again. Da. Very good, kids. And the next one. If we have half note, we also have half rest. A half rest is, it looks like a, good. It looks like a half. And a half rest has 2 beats. Let's watch this. Again, everybody. 1, 2, ready, go. That's right. And the next one is a quarter note. A quarter note is a closed note head with a stem. It looks like a half note, but it is shaded. And a quarter note has one beat. Do you know how to clap the quarter note? Listen. Da. Again, everybody. Da. Okay, very good. And the next one is a quarter rest. A quarter rest has one beat but no sound. Watch this. Can you do that, kids? Everybody. Very good. The next one is an correct. It's an eighth note. An eighth note has one half beat. If we have two eighth note, it is equal to one quarter note. So if we have four eighth note, this is how it sounds. D, 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 D. Everybody? D, 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 D. Very good. Next, if we have eighth note, we also have eighth rest. And an eighth rest has one half beat, but no sound. If we have two eighth rest, it is equal to quarter rest. If we have four eighth rests, this is how it sounds. Again, everybody. 1, 2, ready, go. Very good. Next one. We have 16th note. A 16th note has 1/4 beat. 4 16th note is equal to 1 quarter note. So if we have 8 16th note, so this is how it sounds. Again. Dili dili. Okay. And the next one is 16th rest. A 16th rest has also 1/4 beat but no sound. So if we have 4 16th rest, it is equal to 1 quarter rest. So if we have 8 16th rest, so this is how it looks like. Again. Very good. So this time, as you can see, we have a half note with a dot. It is called a dotted half note. And a dotted half note has 3 beats. Why? 2 plus 1 equals 3. So where did we get that 1? Because 1/2 of 2 is 1, that's why we have 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And the next one is a dotted quarter note. A dotted quarter note has 1 1/2 beats. Why 1 1/2 beats? 1 plus 1/2 equals 1 1/2. Because 1/2 of 1 is 1/2, that's why we have 1 1/2. So this time we're going to have an activity. You're going to give the name of each note and rest after the B. So to start with, we have, listen class. Da. So what is your answer? Very good. It's a whole note. Next one. Listen class. BB. Again, BB. What is your answer? Correct. It's a or an eighth note. Next. Listen class. Again. So what is that? Very good. It's a half rest. Next one. Listen class. Da. Again. Da. Anybody? Correct. It's a quarter note. Next one. Listen class. What is the answer? Very good. It's a 16th rest. Next. Listen class. Again. Anybody? Very good. It's a quarter rest. Next. Listen. Da. Da. What is the answer? Correct. It's a half note. And the last one? Listen. Again. Correct. It's a whole rest. So very good, kids. Another activity. So this time, I know you are really familiar with the song Bahay Kubo. So look at the encircled notes and rests. This time you're going to identify the notes and rest used in the song Bahay Kubo. Number 1. Right. It's a quarter note. Number 2. Very good. It's an eighth note. How many eighth notes do we have? Correct. We have 2 eighth notes. Next, number 3. Awesome. It's a half note. Next. Correct. It's a quarter note. And the last one. Very good. It's a dotted half note. Good job, kids. So remember, note has sound and beat. Rest has no sound but has beat. Note or notes and rest has the same value. Whole note has 4 beats. Whole rest has 4 beats but no sound. Half note has 2 beats. Half rest has 2 beats without sound. Quarter note has 1 beat and a quarter rest has 1 beat but no sound. An eighth note has 1/2 beat, while rest has 1/2 beat too, but no sound. 16th note has 1/4 beat, and 16th rest has the value of 1/4 beat also, but no sound. A dotted half note has the value of 3 beats. And last, a dotted quarter note has the value of 1 and 1/2 beat. Okay, so this time you're going to answer this activity. You are going to identify the notes and rest used in the song. I'll give you 2 minutes to answer this. Okay? Okay, kids? Are you ready? Let's check if your answer is correct. Number 1. Check. The answer is half rest. Number 2. Correct. It's a half note. Number 3. Correct. It's a quarter rest. Number 4. Correct. It's a quarter note. And the last one? Correct. It's an eighth note. Very good, kids. Good job. So this time I'm going to give you an assignment. So all you have to do is complete the sentences. So that's all for today, kids. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Dahil pilitan tayong magbago ng paraan ng pamumuhay. Ika nga nila, new normal. At maging sa edukasyon, kailangan na nating sumulong patungo sa new normal. Ang pamahalaang lungsod ng Valenzuela ay gumawa ng hakbang upang matiyak ang tuloy-tuloy na pagkatuto ng bawat kabataang Valenzuelano. Sa pakikipagtulungan sa Department of Education o DepEd Valenzuela, ilulunsad na natin sa parating na school year ang Valenzuela Live. Ang Valenzuela Live ay isang online streaming school kung saan maaaring magpatuloy ang klase ng mga mag-aaral kahit sila ay nasa kanilang mga tahanan. Paano nga ba ang magiging sistema ng Valenzuela Live? Enrollment. Sa buong buwan ng Hunyo hanggang sa ika-15 ng Hulyo 2020 ay isinagawa ang K-12 enrollment sa lahat ng pampublikong paaralan sa Valenzuela City. Nagpatupad ang DepEd Valenzuela ng mga sistema ng enrollment kung saan hindi na kailangan lumabas ng tahanan ang mga estudyante. Learning Pockets. Gumawa ang DepEd Valenzuela ng mga learning materials tulad ng modules, worksheets, at study guides na naaayon sa most essential learning competencies. Ipapamahagi ang mga ito sa bawat mag-aaral sa iba't ibang paraan. Internet Connectivity. Humigit kumulang 130,000 ang enrollee sa elementary at high school sa Valenzuela City para sa school year 2020 to 2021. At ayon sa isinagawang survey ng DepEd Valenzuela, tinatayang 22,000 sa mga ito ang walang smartphone. At upang tulungan ang ating mga mag-aaral na nangangailangan at mapatutunayang walang smartphone, ang pamahalaang lungsod ng Valenzuela ay magpapahiram sa kanila ng mga gadget. Ang target beneficiary nito ay ang mga kapwa natin Valenzuelano na nabibilang sa poorest of the poor. Ang magulang o guardian naman na ang bahalang sumagot sa wifi o mobile data imbis na gumastos para sa baon at uniforme. Streaming School. Kung dati ay harapan ng diskusyon ng guro at mga estudyante sa loob ng classroom, ngayon ay tablet o smartphone na lang ang magiging kaharap nila. Lahat ng leksyon ay ituturo ng mga guro sa pamamagitan ng video streaming na maaaring mapanood ng kanilang mga estudyante sa kanilang mga gadgets. Ang Valenzuela School of Mathematics and Science o VALMASAI ay gagamitin bilang off-site classroom. Dito isasagawa ng mga guro ang live streaming ng mga klase. Mayroong mga IT technician at moderator na magiging kaagapin ng mga guro para sa mas epektibong online classes. Magkakaroon din ng virtual communities kung saan pwedeng magsagawa ng follow-up discussions ang mga guro at estudyante gamit ang free online platforms na hindi nangangailangan ng mobile data subscription. Maaari rin ditong gumawa ng group chats ang mga magulang kung saan pwede silang mag-usap at magtulungan upang maging mas epektibo ang pag-aaral ng kanilang mga anak. Assessment. Ang mga estudyante ay kailangang bumuo ng portfolio kung saan ilalagay ang lahat ng ginawa nilang pagsasanay na susuri sa kanilang mga natutunan. Ang portfolio na ito ang pagbabasihan ng kanilang magiging grado. Ang pagbibigay ng marka o grado ay ibabatay sa panuntunan na ilalabas ng DepEd. Ngayong new normal, walang kabataang Valenzuelano ang maiiwan. Kaya tayo na Valenzuela, magbalik eskwela na sa tulong ng Valenzuela Live.